is Dr. Joan Tallis, the United States planet Earth. Do you read me? Is anyone out there? We're getting feedback. Let's try another channel. Hello? Hello? This is Dr. Joan Tallis.
What does that mean? I don't understand what
Kimberly,
that means.
In the grand history of the cosmos, more than 13,000 million years old, our Earth is replicated elsewhere. There's another you out there. Now you begin to wonder, the other me made the same mistakes I've made. And is that me better than this me?
Scientists say they discovered a planet with the most Earth-like environment they have ever seen, about 123 short trillion miles away. Oh, come on. And it's smack dab in the middle of a place that could support intelligent life. Michio Kaku, physics professor, City University here in New York, and author of the Physics of the Future book, a bestseller in the New York Times bestseller look. How you doing, sir? And good morning to you.
Very good.
So it's only 123 million, I mean, road trip today, right? 123 trillion miles
a hop,
away.
skip, and a jump away. But
You say this is big and exciting news to astronomers.
This is big. This is really big. Astronomers have spent a lifetime chasing after the Holy Grail. The Holy Grail, an Earth-like twin in outer space.
Tom? Mr. Forge, I understand.
Be the charming type. Take off your gloves and show what they hide. I'll let you cry if you close your eyes. I'll have an answer for your eyes. What the?
What was it? The trumpet blast.
Pardon?
The trumpet blast. What was it really?
Oh, that. Well, some new neighbors. They got creative instead. They thought it'd be funny to take a page out of Revelations and get Cooper and his family's hopes up with the trumpets. So they got the old siren from a firehouse that just got a new one. The fire chief said they could have the damn thing as long as they carted it off as big as a Mini Cooper. So they trucked this thing down to their compost collective. They put it in a barn. They hook it up to an iPod, of all things. And they played these single-note trumpet blasts that they pulled off the internet.
And they had no idea.
So again, investigators are still trying to determine what it was. I'm going to read some information. I just got an update from our desk back at the station. Emergency officials in Lower Bucks County have also received numerous calls about a large boom and the ground shaking, just like some folks were describing out here.
So far, no explanation of what happened here, but it really got the attention of a lot of people, even as far away as Bensalem, reporting that they felt that their homes were shaking. Police radio have received a lot of calls. The police have received calls.
Don't go out there. You see anything? I know it's it's coming from there somewhere.
There's been a lot of buzz over the last few weeks about strange sounds being heard in the atmosphere. People around the world and here at home have reported hearing some bizarre noises. The latest were recorded in the Battlefords last weekend. John Baglieri has more on the strange occurrence that could have a very logical explanation.
It came in many forms last Sunday night. To some, it sounded like trumpets. To others, a mariner's horn. Yeah. North Battleford's mayor says...
Breaking news. The whole world is watching. The course of human history has changed today.
The ship appears to be stopping over Johannesburg City.
They're spending so much money to keep them here when they could be spending it on other things. At least they're keeping them separate from us.
How do your weapons work?
We're coming to you from the entrance of District 9, the refugee camp set up to separate aliens from the general population.
They told me I was gonna get a vest.
Don't worry about the vest, it'll be fine. Get the new agents, open the door, please.
This is an amazing fight.
I haven't seen this type of setup. I don't know, this has got the markings there of, so it's definitely alien, but it's not a weapon.
Around this, UFO sightings are skyrocketing in 2012, and we're barely 2 weeks in. Eyewitnesses reporting strange things in 36 out of the 50 states, and yeah, Florida's included. We are joined on the phone right now, Peter Davenport from he's the director of the UFO Center there in Washington. Peter, let me tell you something. Everybody's got a cell phone camera these days. I'm imagining if you're having a lot of sightings, you're getting some pretty good pictures.
Well, we get some pictures, but the overwhelming majority of them are of low quality, as you say, from those cell phones. What we encourage people to do if they see what they think may be a UFO is try to get a good camera, stabilize the camera no matter what they're using, and try to get a good still photo of it.
Peter, why do you